Yo, what is up, guys? Today we are gonna be watching this video that Tricky360 just uploaded. He's my friend. He said, Parker, get off the grill before you get roasted. So yeah, guys, we're gonna check it out. So yeah, guys, let's get right into the flippin' video. So guys, let's watch it.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. You guys, welcome to yet another video. Today, I'm sorry, Parker, but Fortnite every time I'm sorry. I'm gonna be roasting Parker around.
Let's go.
Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button. And yeah, comment what you'd like to see. So, Parker, I don't need to roast you. You roast yourself every time you upload a video.
Hey, let's go.
I mean, it'll be tough to come back from that one. I'll see you in your reaction video. We got history.
There's one roast, but okay. I guess it was one roast. He came at me with one. Nah, didn't hurt. You know what? I'm gonna think of some roasts, and I'm just gonna come back with him like 3 or 4 or 5 roasts, and just like, yeah. So yeah, guys, on to the outro. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you'd like to drop a like on the video, show some support. Let me know in the comments if you turn on my post notifications, and you'll be shouted out next video. Keep it balanced today, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.